So this is Tercia Cruzada Ulysses Barao orientation. So this is how we apply the Pondo Estilo Orthopicity in Espada Daga. But since we are in the mistake, we call this Ulysses Barao. So he thrusts, I so I strike the head, check. So he strikes here, I reverse, hop, 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 go, hop, go, hop, hop, go, go, hop, go, hop, hop. So the dagger is used as chicken, hop, 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 go, hop, 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 hop. So we call this Orto Kiti, Orto Kiti, hop. Yeah. So you see the dagger. Okay, so by the time he removes his dagger, so it becomes the alive hand. See? See? So it becomes the alive hand. Hop, 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 oh, go, go, hop, hop, go.